Now, who here is not from Switzerland? Yes! I want to see those international hands. We promised you a welcome home party, and that means it's time to get familiar with some Swiss music. A Mexican pet. What a huge hit for such a tiny dog. DJ BoBo's Chihuahua.
Who? DJ BoBo, Chihuahua 2003. What this song? It sounds really familiar, but I don't remember too much.
Artist from Basel knew very well how to party. It's DJ Antoine's Chérie.
I think I'm gonna dancing along to it, even though I don't know them. Oh, someone was screaming like they're dying.
Iconic song ever. I'm sure you had no idea that this song is originally from Switzerland.
The song is so legendary, I'm sure you all know it. So spread your wings and dance, little birds.
Oh my, little bird. 1970, 1955. It was 57, sorry. Damn. This is really popular in Vietnam. Almost everybody in Vietnam know that song.